If your data is not syncing between devices in Otter.ai, yeah, that can be really annoying. In this video, I'll show you how to fix sync issues step by step. First, check your internet connection on both devices because syncing needs a stable connection. Next, make sure you're logged into the same account on all devices. Different accounts won't sync data. Now check sync settings. Make sure syncing is enabled in Otter.ai. Try refreshing or restarting the app. Yeah, this can force a sync update. Make sure both devices have the latest version. Outdated apps can cause syncing problems. Finally, log out and log back in. This can reset your account connection and fix sync issues. And that's it. These steps should fix most sync issues in Otter.ai. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.